passion for driving a motorsport, I think, started a long time ago. I mean, I remember I was a kid and I was looking at TV with my father. I thought already at the time I wanted to be a Formula One driver, like many kids have this kind of dream. But lucky enough for me, it worked. I mean, I went very close to that because in 2001 I managed to become a Formula One test driver for Minardi after many seasons in karting and especially in single-seater. Today we have this important project, the Iron Lynx project, which is one of the, let's say, most important part of Iron Lynx in motorsport. We managed to move a part of the Iron Lynx into the United States. We created this new structure, this new headquarters together with Lamborghini.
There we really started right from the beginning together with 3D Beta, a tailor-made workshop.
So we created a real space for our car where we can service, prepare for the races, our GT cars, and also the future LMDH car of Lamborghini. So it's something that is really my heart because I started it from zero, and with the support of 3D Beta I think we made it something very special.